my dick and reflect. Your spirit's in peace, no need to call the police. These hold your applause. Everybody shut up! I have an erection. If justice is blind, she's gonna miss this display. It's hard to steal, but still evaded metal detection. This is more important than what you have to say. Judge, will give me that rope, cause then nobody can see this pillar of awesome that's sticking straight at me. Who could argue a case with so much dick in your face? Please hold your applause. Shut up, Mr. President, I have an erection. Here's a tricky dick that cannot be impeached. Check out